Well, good evening, everyone, and happy New Year to everyone as well. I hope everybody had a great Wednesday out there so far. Everybody has a great Wednesday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about the storm system moving across the coast, from coast to coast, that is, across the floor 48. Also, we're going to take a look at the your forecast here in just a minute as well for your Thursday and Friday. But first, we're going to take a look at these storm systems. As you can see, we got one up here in portions of southeast Canada, up around St. John's Island, back over toward northern Maine. Also got another lake effect machine ongoing up here across the Great Lakes region, stretching over towards portion of Pennsylvania, New York State, and also Vermont, New Hampshire, and also portion of Maine as well. We got high pressure right now currently in charge of the southeastern United States, back over toward Texas. We got another storm system moving in over here along Washington, Oregon State, Northern California, stretching over through South Dakota, North Dakota, and also in the portion of Kansas and also Nebraska region. Also, we got another little activity here where portions of Arizona and New Mexico, and then we got more activity down across Central America, South Caribbean Sea, Southern Gulf of Mexico, northern portions of South America. Atlantic looks pretty good. Then we got more activity over in the Eastern Pacific as well. Alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue getting the show on the road here, folks. Alrighty, as you can see here, we got some mixed precipitation, snow up here in portion of Maine, and also stretching down in New Hampshire, Vermont, New York State, Pennsylvania. More snow from portion of West Virginia to Michigan, northern Michigan, around the Great Lakes, stretching from Indiana to Illinois, back over to Iowa, also in the portion of Nebraska. Then we got mixed precipitation for portion of Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, portion of southwestern Ohio, and northern Kentucky. We got some pockets of heavy snow up here in portion of New York State, portion of Vermont, New Hampshire region. Also got pockets of heavy snow in portion of Colorado, more snow there as well in portion of Wyoming, and the Montana as well. Then got mixed precipitation across portion of Montana, Idaho, northern Nevada, portion of California, Oregon, Washington State. Got some freezing rain there as well, and got rain showers along coastal areas of Washington, Oregon, and northwestern California region as well. Got some thunderstorms and showers over South Texas. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Thursday. Alright, here's a look at your Friday forecast. We got some snow up here in portion of New York State, down to Pennsylvania, to West Virginia, to Ohio, back to Michigan, northern Michigan, around the Great Lakes. Mixed precipitation over here around Delaware to D.C., portion of western North Carolina, eastern Tennessee, eastern Kentucky, and also into Virginia, portion of West Virginia. Got a pocket of heavy snow in West Virginia. We got more snow flying over here in portion of Montana, North Dakota. Then mixed precipitation elsewhere, portion of western Montana, also Wyoming, Idaho, Nevada, California, Oregon, Washington State. Then rain shower along coastal areas of Washington, Oregon State, and also a portion of California and Central California as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Friday. Alright, let's move on to the current watch and warn advisory map for your locations across the nation. Okay, as you can see, we got some winter weather advisories out here in portion of Oregon, over in the portion of Idaho, and also Washington, and portion of Colorado, Utah, and also portion of Colorado, and got some high wind warnings there as well. Also got some air quality alerts for southern portion of California, southern portion of Arizona, hydro issues over a couple counties here in North Dakota, winter weather advisories over here in portion of Iowa as well, and then we got the river flood warnings stretching from portions of up here in Indiana, Illinois, also portion of Arkansas, western Tennessee, Mississippi, Louisiana, portion of East Texas. Then we got frost advisory with North Florida, southern portion of Georgia. Then we got more winter weather advisory, winter storm warnings for portions of West Virginia, Pennsylvania. Also got lake effect snow warnings along portion of New York State, northern portion of Ohio, and also Pennsylvania. And we got winter storm warning weather advisories also in effect for north portion of New York State, Vermont, New Hampshire, and portion of Maine. Wind advisories in the Browns, stretching from Maine down toward Delaware, D.C., Pennsylvania, Rhode Island area, Connecticut, you including New York City, southern New York State. Alright, we got small craft advisory, gale warning from up here near Maine, all the way down to the Outer Banks of North Carolina. Then again from Northern California all the way to Washington State. Also around the Hawaiian chain on the south side, got some high surf warnings from central north. Alright, we got some small craft advisory, gale warnings around the Alaska areas, freeze and spray warning in the blue, and then cold weather advisories for eastern areas of Alaska. Alright, Storm Prediction Center. We have some severe weather to talk about on day 5, which is Sunday. This is from Lufkin's, Texas, all the way to Alexandria, Shreveport, Jackson, and also Greenville, Mississippi. This is where severe weather will occur, looking likely to occur in this region. And then it will continue to work its way eastbound. So expect maybe these outlooks to continue to spread east as we continue to go forward. Alright, here's a look at the newest snow probability from the Climate Prediction Center. Alrighty, as you can see, we have from 1-9 and 1-10 stretching from Texas all the way to the Carolinas, portion of Virginia. This is an area of a slight risk. This is about a 20 to 40% chance of heavy snow in this vicinity here. Then 1-9 to 1-13 from portion of West Virginia up to New York State over the portion of Ohio, and then another risk from 1-9 to 1-13 from portion through the Dakotas, also into Nebraska, portion of Montana, also portion of Wyoming as well. This has about a 20 to 40% chance of development. This would be about 7 to 10 days out, so things can change. So take it with a grain of salt, and things will change between now and then. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like these videos, share these videos, consider subscribing one more time. Also, if you enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got, and I will keep you up to date on this here winter storm potential for portions of the southeastern United States, and also maybe the portions of the Northeast and portions of the central U.S. as well, as we continue to see this cold air filter down from the north and spread to the south, and moisture overrides the cold air, which may produce some wintry precipitation. Have a good evening, folks. Take care, and also Happy New Year once again.